How to add international contacts on your WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add international contact phone numbers on your WhatsApp. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. Before you do that, you could add the international contact to your phone's contact, but you could just directly add it to your WhatsApp as well and save it from here. So simply tap on the new chat option at the bottom right of your screen. And then once you get to this new chat, you're going to have to create a new contact. But before you do that, you need to find the country code of the number that you're trying to add. So simply you can choose any country from here. If you tap on this country, select the country code of the country that you're trying to add as your contact. So let's say if I just want to add someone from this. So I'm going to add someone from China. Just type in their number, make sure that it's correct, and then all you have to do is simply go ahead and enter the number. So as you can see, it says the person is now on WhatsApp, but the contact that you're trying to do is if they are on WhatsApp, then you can just tap on save, add their first name, last name where you want to save it, and then simply tap on save. After doing this, you should be able to save this contact. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.